I welcome you to all. So today I would like to tell about how to fit a straight line for the given n data points. Fitting of straight line. So let's consider fitting of straight line. Fitting of straight line yi equals to a plus bxi to a set of n points xi yi I equals to 1 to so on n. So the equation 1 represents the family of straight lines, for different arbitrary constants a and b, so a and b small b, right? So here the problem is to determine a and b so that the equation 1 is line of best fit. So line of best fit means the residual sum of squares is minimum, or the difference between the squares of the difference between the actual value and estimated value is minimum, right? So let p xi yi be any general point in the scatter diagram. So now I have to plot the given n data points on graph paper. More or less I am getting the scatter diagram may be like this. From this, the line of best fit is y equals to a plus bx, or yi equals to a plus bxi. So now any point, suppose this is p, what I know is xi yi, right? Just draw a perpendicular to x-axis, that is in this line cuts the best of line fit at hi. So here whenever it cuts, this abscess is xi, abscess is nothing but a plus bxi, right? So in the scatter diagram, draw. So what we have to just write down, draw perpendicular, draw PIM perpendicular to x-axis, and meeting the equation 1 in HI, that is xi a plus b xi. So now PHI is nothing but the error or the residual, what we call is residual. PIHI is nothing but PIM minus HIM. Am I correct? PIM, this is nothing but YI minus HIM, the odd disease, that is a plus b xi. So which is called error of estimate or residual error, right? So now according to principle of least squares, we have to determine A and B, right? To minimize A and B so that E equals to, that is error sum of squares or error residual sum of squares, that is summation over I equals to 1 to n PIHI square. So that equals to summation I equals to 1 to n yi minus a plus b xi, the square is minimum, right? So now from the principle of maxima minima, the partial derivatives of E with respect to A and B should vanish separately, right? So what you are getting from this, dou E by dou A equals to 0. That implies dou E by dou A equals to 0 is nothing but, so dou A of yi minus of a plus b xi whole square equals to 0. If you simplify this one, 2 into yi minus a plus b xi into the derivative with respect to a is equals to 0. So if you are some more simplify summation yi, so here one more summation is there, so sorry, this summation I equals to 1 to n is there for all, right? So this is also summation summation I equals to 1 to n, right? So that's why summation yi equals to na plus b summation xi. This is equation 2, right? So the next one is dou e by dou b equals to 0. That implies dou by dou b of summation I equals to 1 to n yi minus a plus b xi the square, right, equals to 0. So now you simplify this one, that implies so you are getting 2 into summation over I equals to 1 to n yi minus a plus b xi, and derivative with respect to b is nothing but minus xi equals to 0. If you are simplify this one, you are getting summation yi xi equals to a summation xi plus b summation xi square. So this is equation 3, right? So solve equation 2 and 3 for obtaining a and b, right? Hence the line of best fit for the given n data points is yi equals to a hat plus b hat xi, right? So this is nothing but the line of best fit after obtaining the a and b from the method of least squares. Thank you for watching this video.